Hey explorers! Meet the reticulated python, the longest snake in the world.
It's huge! Can you believe it can grow over 30 feet long?
Exactly. It's a master of stealth, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Look at how still it is. The python uses patience to hunt its prey.
Wow! It can swallow prey that's way bigger than its head!
Its jaws stretch to fit large animals, and it can go weeks without eating after a big meal.
The python helps keep the jungle balanced by controlling small animal populations.
That was awesome!
See you next time, explorers!
Keep exploring the amazing world of animals with us.